guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. In today's video we are going to talk about tan removal, suntan removal. We all know that summer has started and we all started getting suntan already. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the easiest way to remove that instantly. So if you want to see what this is all about, so please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm talking about this product which is from the brand Nature's Essence, and this is their Lacto Tan Clear. Now this is basically a remedy to remove suntan. It does contain some good ingredients like milk and vitamin E with certain other oils which take care of your skin. Now if you're a person who is lazy making those suntan removal packs and applying it, then this is the answer for you guys. This is everything ready already. You just have to apply it on your face, wait for 10-15 minutes and you are sorted. So let's talk about the packaging first. This is the 100-gram packaging. It does come in 50 gram of packaging in a tube form, but I have this 100-gram packaging. So this is how the outer packaging look like, and if I talk about the product, this is how the product look like, and this is absolutely similar like a cream form, but you have to apply it like a mask on your face and on your body. Now there are a few good things about this tan removal cream is that first of all, this does not contain any parabens and sulfates, which is really good for your skin. Secondly, this is a made in India product, and of course I am the one who supports made in India product, so this is a big yeah from my side. And apart from this does contain certain good things like geranium oil, milk, coconut oil, vitamin E. So all these things are really good for your skin, which will help in removing that tan and giving you that luster and the shine in your skin back. Other thing which I found is really helpful, that this is good for all skin types, so you don't have to worry that I have a dry skin, normal skin or combination skin. This is good for all skin types. You can completely use it. This is the ready-made thing. With your fingers or with the help of a brush, you can just apply it on your face and you are sorted. One more thing I would like to share about this product is, I'm not saying just for the sake of video, me and my husband both tried this and we saw an instant result on our body. My husband has this suntan patch on his forehead and we saw an instant thing in one use. And I do have certain of tanning on my arms, and I applied it and I found a really big difference. This would be my 5th or 6th time trying it with you guys. Now talking about the price, this does come with certain different other packaging. For example, this one particularly, which is for 100-gram packaging, I got this for 150 rupees, but the retail price is 175 rupees. I got this from Amazon. I'll try to mention the link down in the description box. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. But this does come with other packaging as well, like 50-gram packaging I believe, and 75-gram packaging. The price of course varies as per the quantity. I'll try to mention the maximum links I can down in the description box. So yeah, that is it for the product guys. If you are a person who is looking for instant tan removal, then this is the answer for you guys. Completely natural, does not contain any parabens, sulfates and any harmful ingredients for your skin. Also, this is a made in India product, good for all skin types. Now this is how the product look like. Of course you can use it with your fingers, but today I'll be using my this brush and I'll apply it with you guys. And let me just show you how to apply it, what is the consistency and other thing. The consistency of this mask is completely like a cold cream or like a moisturizing cream. You can apply a thick layer of this on your whole face and can leave it for a good 10 to 15 minutes and can remove it. You can apply it on whole of your body as well. You can use it on your arms, neck, face, legs, feet, wherever you are comfortable. You can apply it anywhere. This is good for all body parts. Guys, do not forget your neck area. I'm applying the thick layer of this and I will wait for good 12 to 15 minutes. I'll avoid my eyes. Alright guys, I hope you can see that now I have applied it on whole of my face. I avoided my eyes and now I will wait for good 10 to 15 minutes and I'll get back to you and we will remove it together. Alright guys, so this is being 15 minutes now. Now you will see that on camera I don't know how it is looking, but you will see that the layer started getting little lighter, means getting little thinner. Now it is being 10-15 minutes. Of course you can apply it till 20 minutes because last time when me and my husband both were trying, we placed it for like 20 minutes. Now because I am applying it second time in a week, this is the second time in a week and my 5th time applying it with you, so I'll be keeping it for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to remove it and you will see the difference. Alright guys, so now I have removed it all from my face and you can see the difference. I hope you can see the difference from the screen. I completely see a big difference in my skin now. So yes guys, I believe that this is the easiest remedy for summers or maybe for winters. At any point of time if you have tan on your skin and you want to remove it, then this is the easiest remedy for that and easiest method to do that. So that is it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have ever tried it, whether this was helpful for you or not. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then you take care. God bless you. Bye bye.